Right, have you noticed some brokers don't hold a license in every country they serve? Now, is that a red flag or just how the industry work? In this video, we're going to break it down for you. Right, so it's common for international brokers to hold licenses in one or several jurisdictions. For example, in Australia, Cyprus, or South Africa, and then operate across multiple countries under cross-border service rules. Now, not having a license in every single country doesn't automatically mean that a broker is unsafe. So take Canada for example. Canada has its own regulators like IIROC and provincial commissions. Many international brokers, even reputable ones, don't hold a Canadian domestic license, but they still serve Canadian clients legally via offshore entities. Awanda, for instance, is regulated locally in Canada by IIROC, which comes with certain restrictions, which means lower leverage, fewer instruments, but a higher entry requirement. Now, PU Prime operating offshore under licenses such as ASIC and FSCA extend its services to over 190 countries, including Canada. Now, for Canadian clients, this means broader product coverage, including Forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, and even crypto, as well as more flexible trading conditions, all within a transparent multi-license structure. Right, a word from today's sponsor, which is Xtrader. This is a prop trading firm that gives you access to up to $400,000 in capital. Once you pass their challenge, it's a two-step evaluation: challenge, then evaluation, with flexible trading limits and no time pressure. Once you approve, you get to keep 80% of the profits. They support MT4, MT5, and the PU Prime app. With access to 35 plus instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, shares, and crypto, with only a maximum daily loss of 5 to 10% and a capital drawdown of 10 to 20%, depending on your account tier. Now, you can start with as little as $160 entry fee with that capital of up to 400,000. Now, there are no time limits on this either. You can trade smart, avoiding the funding risks, and get paid for your skill. Check out the link down in the description for more info. Let's get back to the video. Right, now, what this cross-border model is common in the industry as long as the broker remains transparent and compliant with its primary regulators. But let's be honest, the key is which jurisdictions the broker is licensed in and how strong that regulatory framework is. Now, well-known regulators like ASIC, FCA, CYTRAC, FSCA have strict requirements for capital reporting and client fund segregation. Now, PU Prime's multi-license structure is one example of how brokers can maintain global reach while meeting the regulatory obligations. So when evaluating a broker, what you have to check is 1, their license details and regulatory authorities. Number 2, transparency of information on their website. Number 3, reputation and compliance track record. A broker that is clear and open about these points is generally a safer choice. So to summarize, a broker not holding a license in every country isn't unusual. What matters is the strength of the licenses they do hold. Now, their commitment to operating transparently and responsibly as well. That's what you should look for. There's no matter which broker you should choose. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.